What's up, everybody? It's Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and we are getting ready to start a pondless waterfall here today. We are going to have about a 12 to 14 foot stream that works its way up through here and starts right back up here in front of the house. It's going to face this direction first so we can get a really good view inside the windows. And then it is going to take a turn and jog back this direction. The tree is coming out. We'll work our way down with a series of falls through here. It is time to start setting some rocks and working our way up the waterfall here. Want to get into the first couple drops here today, and hopefully we can get about half the stream constructed. So tomorrow we'll be in position to get the waterfall all wrapped up. We are coming along, getting to the top of the waterfall here. We have a few more rocks to set. Jordan's hooking up the spillway right now. Got David over here working on some steps and some of the other rocks. And we've got other David helping Jordan out. Oh, he's out of rocks. We are all finished up here for today. It is Friday, so we are gonna head out and go ahead and finish this up on Monday, but we were able to get the waterfall running. We have some finishing details and just a few plants and some other things that are gonna go around this water feature. That wraps it up for us here. We are all complete. Mulch is all taken care of. All the plants are in. Everything's cleaned up, and it is time to get out of here. But before I do that, I'm gonna flip this camera around, take you guys through, show you everything, all the different falls and how this all turned out. As always, if you like what you see here, please drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you're new to the channel and you're just stopping through, and this is your first time, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more awesome content like this. Let us know what you think about this. We love bringing these things to you. It is a ton of fun being able to do this on a daily basis. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys around on the next one.